In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Portfolio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple portfolio or watch list, input your positions, and use the built-in tools to see how everything is doing at a glance. First, open your browser and go to finviz.com/portfolio.ashx. This brings you straight to the portfolio page. You'll see options to manage or create portfolios. To begin, click the button that says New Portfolio, or a similarly labeled option on the page. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Think of this as the container for your holdings and watchlist tickers. Next, start adding tickers for the stocks you own or want to keep an eye on. A ticker is the short symbol a company trades under in the market. Type the symbol carefully and confirm it matches the company you intend to track. You can add as many as you need, and if you're just watching a stock rather than holding it, that's perfectly fine. For each ticker you own, enter the details that make your tracking meaningful. Add the number of shares and your cost basis, which is simply the average price you paid per share. You'll also see a field for trade date. That's optional, but it can help you remember when you entered the position and give context to performance over time. If you're adding a stock just to watch it, you can skip the shares and cost basis fields. The key is to be accurate where you do enter data, because the platform uses these inputs to calculate your gains and losses. When you're done, save your portfolio. As soon as it's saved, the page will display live market prices alongside your basic performance metrics. You'll see how each position is moving today, and how it's doing overall compared to your cost basis. Prices and changes update during market hours, so it's a quick way to check in without doing any manual math. From there, look at the aggregated metrics for the bigger picture. You can view your overall gain or loss across the entire portfolio, see how your holdings break down by sector, and understand your allocation. This helps you spot concentration, gauge diversification, and identify where most of your risk or return is coming from. Finally, take advantage of the additional views on the portfolio page. The heat map provides a color-coded snapshot of winners and losers at a glance, while the news view pulls in headlines related to the companies you're tracking. Use these tools to monitor performance and stay informed, and revisit your portfolio as your positions or watch list evolve.